Hi, in this video we want to talk about the properties of triangles. Now we have three main, or rather four main types of triangles that we work with. The most common and the one that we've been discussing as of late is the right angle triangle. So the right angle triangle is called that because it has a right angle which is 90 degrees, and it is governed by the formula A, B, and C. So A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. That is its most known formula, called the Pythagoras theorem, and it's used to find unknown sides. Right angle triangles also have the benefit of us being able to use trig functions to solve for unknown angles, as we've already discussed previously. The next type of triangle is another common one, and this one is common when you're doing Euclidean geometry. So let me try that again. We have an equilateral triangle, or rather let me call this one the isosceles triangle. So this one here is the right angle triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, and it's governed by the principle that the opposite sides, opposite adjacent sides are equal, and base angles are equal. So the angles here will be equal to each other. And if maybe we can highlight that with a different color, so these two angles will be equal. This is an isosceles triangle. From the isosceles triangle we go to the scalene triangle, which doesn't have any type of what can I say, properties, except for the fact that all three angles are different. So all three, none of them are the same, and all three sides are also different. So all sides and angles are unique, and this is called the scalene triangle. Then from this we have another triangle called the equilateral triangle. This is where all three sides are the same and all angles are equal to. Equilateral. So all sides are equal and all angles equal 60 degrees. And that's that. So these are the types of triangles they get, and we could say that a property that governs all these triangles is that all the interior angles sum up to 180 degrees. And also we can say that no matter what triangle we have, our exterior angle will always be equal to two opposite interior. So we could have something like this, where the exterior angle, being this angle, is equal to the opposite interior, so the sum of these. So if we name this A and this one B and C, then we would say that A is equal to B plus C. So that's a law for these triangles, and maybe let's say this is D. The other law is that B plus D plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So these two laws are the two laws that govern our triangles. And if it's a right angle triangle, we also have these additional laws, the trig functions and Pythagoras theorem. The other triangles, yes, we can apply the cos rule and the sine rule, but it's mostly the right angle triangle that we can apply the trig functions and the Pythagoras theorem to.